Introduction to AutoCAD. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to state the evolution and drawbacks of manual drafting, explain the evolution and development of AutoCAD, describe AutoCAD and its applications, illustrate the layout of AutoCAD. Since the time of evolution, humans began to encrypt their ideas visually to communicate with others. When people started pre-planning and designing the objects that are needed to construct or manufacture, they required a unique language to convey their idea to others. Designers or architects drafted their ideas in a paper and provided them to the engineers for giving life to their ideas. As the days passed, they started hiring skilled laborers, particularly to create their design and act as a translator to the engineers. This person used manual tools such as drawing board, mini drafter, rulers, angle measuring instruments, and various sets of pencil. And also, they followed certain specifications of architects and engineers for creating the drawings manually. Hence, the method of drawing with defined specifications using those drawing tools was termed as drafting, and the person who drafts the drawing was termed as draftsman. While working on this, the architects and engineers faced certain problems. Once the drawings were completed, it became difficult to store these paper drawings. They also couldn't reproduce those paper drawings. They consumed more time for creating those drawings, and it was also difficult to modify certain minor errors. For example, if we need to make a minor change in the design, the entire drawing has to be drawn from the initial stage. It was highly complex for the architects and the engineers to review the manual drawings one by one. Reviewing the drawings manually was a tedious task, and due to that, huge human errors used to occur. They experienced huge reworks, which escalated the construction cost. This was the period when computer operators used stacks of pre-punched cards that were read by computers. One of them was Year-1 at Massachusetts Institute of Technology, commonly called as MIT. This computer filled almost a two-story house. It was the US government that financed the construction of MIT's Year-1 computer for national defense purposes. The atmosphere of academic freedom at MIT allowed non-traditional research to take place. Evan Sutherland, a student at MIT, used the TX2 to bring together all the elements necessary for computer-aided design in his doctoral thesis, Sketchpad, a man-machine graphical communication system. Sketchpad was the world's first computer-aided drafting software, working with a light pen to create drawings that were displayed on a CRT monitor. But the first commercial CAM, that is computer-aided manufacturing software system, a numerical control programming tool named Pronto, had already been developed in 1957 by Dr. Patrick J. Hanratty. For that reason, it is Dr. Hanratty who is most often referred to as the father of CAD-CAM. Later, various CAD-CAM softwares developed with various interfaces using mini-computers. In 1981, the first IBM PC was introduced, and this set a stage for the large-scale adoption of CAD. The following year, a group of programmers formed Autodesk, and in 1983 released AutoCAD, the first significant CAD program for the IBM PC. AutoCAD marked a huge milestone in the evolution of CAD. Its developers set out to deliver 80% of the functionality of the other CAD programs of the day for 20% of their cost. The emergence of AutoCAD made remarkable changes in design and documentation process for construction projects. AutoCAD strengthened the utilization of CAD technology in design and construction business and also increasing the productivity. AutoCAD. AutoCAD is a computer-aided drafting software program used to create blueprints for designing and constructing various specialties. These specializations include mechanical, architectural, civil, electrical, and electronics. Mechanical drafters prepare plans for machinery and mechanical components. Architectural drafters draw up plans for residential and commercial buildings. Civil drafters draw up plans for use in the design and building of roadways, bridges, sewer systems, and other major projects. Electrical drafters work with electricians to prepare diagrams of wiring electrical system layouts. Electronics drafters also prepare wiring diagrams for use in the making, installing, and repairing of electronic gadgets. In order to become effective and efficient in using a CAD system, we must learn to create geometric entities quickly and accurately. In learning to use a CAD system, lines and circles are the first and most important two geometric entities that one should master the skills of creating and modifying. Straight lines and circles are used in almost all technical designs. Triangles and polygons are planar figures bounded by straight lines. Similarly, ellipses and splines can be constructed by connecting arcs with different radii. As one gains some experience in creating lines and circles, similar procedures can be applied to create other geometric entities. Summary. Let us recall the major elements of this topic. AutoCAD provides higher accuracy than manual drafting. AutoCAD enables storage of drawings. Three-dimensional drawings can be possible using AutoCAD. CAD drawings are easy to reproduce. The AutoCAD layout consists of Application Menu, Quick Access Toolbar, Info Center, Title Bar, Ribbon, Drawing Area. Crosshairs or cursors, Command Window, Status Bar.